Discover how to remove bankruptcies from your credit report for a fresh start.
Actually remove bankruptcies from your credit report? I know it sounds impossible. Most people think that once bankruptcy hits their record, their financial life is over. And let me tell you, that's just not the case. Honestly, I used to think the same thing, but here's the truth. Bankruptcy is not the end of your story. There are legal strategies available that can help you challenge inaccuracies, unfair, or outdated bankruptcy reportings on your credit profile. It's all about understanding your rights and taking the right approach. Let me explain. Let me show you how this really works. I'm going to get down to the nitty-gritty. Many credit reports have errors, and bankruptcy records are no exception. Sometimes they get reported incorrect, linked to the wrong accounts, or aren't updated when it should be. Under the Fair Credit Act, you have the right to dispute any item that is inaccurate or unverifiable, and that includes a bankruptcy. And when you use these legal protections to right the wrongs, you can get those bankruptcies removed. Here's what I see happen so often. People just ignore the bankruptcy. They just hope it will go away after the 17 years. Maybe it eventually disappear, or they just get desperate and try whatever quick fixes they can find online, things that are vague, letter templates, or unproven credit repair hack that doesn't actually make it help. It actually make things worse. But that's not the way to go. What really works is a personalized step-by-step strategy. Yes, let's get you a personalized step-by-step strategy. For example, I've worked with clients who thought that they were stuck with the bankruptcy for years. They had to be discharged. It had to be on there for 7 years, then it could be discharged. That's not true. After reviewing their reports and finding reporting issues like incorrect file dates or missing court information, we were able to submit formal disputes and get those bankruptcies removed sometime in less than 6 months. One of my clients was even approved for less than a year after they filed. You heard what I said. They were approved for a home less than a year after their bankruptcy was. It was taken completely off all 3 credit. All because they didn't give up and they followed the right process. It comes down to knowing your options. It comes down to being educated. And working with someone like us at Credit Remedy, we know this. We've the back and forth. We've done the hard work. If you are tired of feeling held back by negative items, you don't have to do this alone. Just call me if you want to learn more about rebuilding and starting fresh after bankruptcy. I will be your personal guide. I'm here to help you every step. I won't leave you. Come on to Credit Remedy and we'll take care of you. I'll talk to you later.